Number 16. Which rotation rule, if any, can be used to prove that pentagon ABCDE and pentagon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, and E prime are congruent? Alright, so let's just compare the corresponding points. We're going to compare A to A prime, sorry. Let's look at those first. So it looks like the only difference I see on A is that the Y value changes signs. But let me go ahead and check another one. Let's check B and B prime. Here you can see that the X values and the Y values change signs. Alright, so let's check another one. Let's check C and C prime. Again, the X went from positive to negative and the Y went from positive to negative. So the mapping rule would be that you would change the sign of both. Now 0 doesn't change sign because 0 doesn't have a sign to it. It's not positive or negative, so that's why you can't change the sign of 0.